Ready to dive into the wild world of Ethereum meme coins, right from your Phantom wallet? First, make sure you have the Phantom wallet app downloaded and set up. Since we're dealing with Ethereum meme coins, you'll need to switch your Phantom wallet to the Ethereum network. Tap on the network icon, usually at the top, and select Ethereum. Because Phantom wallet is primarily known for Solana, you'll likely need to bridge ETH from another wallet or exchange. A simple option is to send it from an exchange like Coinbase or use a bridge to transfer from another network like Solana. Next, head over to a decentralized exchange like Uniswap or SushiSwap. These are where most ETH meme coins live. Connect your Phantom wallet by clicking the Connect Wallet button on your chosen DEX and choosing Phantom. Now comes the tricky part, finding the meme coin. Be extremely careful. Always use the official contract address provided by the coin's official website or community channels to avoid scams. Paste the contract address into the token search bar on the DEX. Enter the amount of ETH you want to swap. Due to the volatility of meme coins, consider setting a higher slippage tolerance. This increases the chance your transaction goes through. Click swap and then confirm the transaction in your Phantom wallet. Congrats! Once the transaction is confirmed, you should see your new meme coins in your Phantom wallet. Remember to do Why Euro. Do your own research. Why Euro meme coins are highly speculative, so invest responsibly.